Welcome to Mili, Siomai, and Steam Rice.
Welcome to Tina's Healthy Kitchen.
Hi, I'm Ryan Rama and I'm a bake shop supervisor.
I'm Christine Lopez and I'm a businesswoman.
Okay, hilig man tag dimsum, tisa, no? It all started out as a kuan lang yun, hobby. A conversation between cousins kay kami gyud ang cousins nako, mga first degree cousins sa Rama nga side, hilig jud luto. Every time we mag family gathering walay catering. Bali ang lechon gikan sa kani nga cousin, ang siomai gikan sa kani nga cousin, ang dinuguan gikan sa kani nga cousin. So it all started out as a conversation lang nga uy magsuway ka tag himog siomai no kay lami, until nga na came to a point nga daghanag nakauyon, so why not sell it na lang pod. And we wanted to share to the people authentic Chinese food, and ang recipe is not just from me, from my uncle, my cousins, because we love to cook. So, Milis is the nickname of our late Lola, Milagros Rama. And we named this business after her because siya to amo ang murag glue sa family. And then, she kept us together. And I believe that good food, when cooked right, brings people together too. So, aside nga lami ato pagkaon, ang name itself kay murag naga-inspire pod namo sa family, not just ako ang sister, akong mother, nag-inspire na mo iyang name nga to keep serving the people well with our food pod. And we wanted to share to the people authentic Chinese food. And ang recipe is not just from me, from my uncle, my cousins, because we love to cook. During December, January, Feb, coming na ang COVID, unfortunately, our branches kay nasira. And so, for 4 to 5 months, wala mi go-operate because we didn't have any employees, nanguli sa province, na lockdown. But after 5 months, we decided, since we already invested money and time and effort, so we decided to put it online. 100% sa ato ang deliveries ron, sales is online, since it's much safer, not just for us, for the employees, but also for the customers. No, deliver sa ilahang house ang ato ang product. The difference sa tuang siomai compared sa uban is wala tay meat extender, wala ni tofu, wala ni any extender nga gibutang sa tuang siomai. It's pure pork. Gi-cube na nato ang fat pod, ato po nang gi-cube. Walay extender. And ang wrapper pod ani is kami po naghimo. We don't buy wrapper from the market. We don't buy wrapper from any other supplier. We make it from scratch good, from the flour, egg, water, salt, tanan, to ensure quality. Because if we magsalig ta sa lain nga supplier, wa tay control sa ilahang quality. Kani ato ang siomai is very authentic, from the ingredients to the process it's very authentic. Basa lang libro, Cantonese nga mga cookbook, and then YouTube ad, internet, naaram man na libre. But ang pinaka-crucial yun nga mga steps kay nakuha gid nako sa mga Cantonese nga mga cookbook. Yeah, this is our lumpia or spring roll. Kanipod kay ang process for this one is also very authentic. Ingredients kay gikan ginis China, from the bamboo shoot to the spices, all from China. It's pure meat and the ingredients are imported. Yeah, so authentic sad ni siya. Actually, except for the steam rice kay murag ang steam rice siguro magid siguro ni. Ang kaning chicken feet, spring roll, and siomai is very authentic ang ato ang process ani. Kaning chicken feet, mao gini pinaka kuti. Ang ato ang spices po dani gikan po ni China. Kuan ni siya. It would take around 4 to 5 hours from the start usa mahuman ang ready to eat na ang ato ang manok kay this is not pressure cook, this is boiled lang naturally, wala gigamit tag pressure cooker. So hasta ang mga spices ani tagaan lang ta mo example ang mga pepper and cinnamon, all from China, so very authentic. So part of that authenticity is the precision of not just the timbang sa mga spices but also the temperature and the time. It's very important kay ni claim man ming authentic gid mi, and yes, we are very authentic. From the temperature of the oil, from the temperature of the water, from the time nga giboil siya or gifry siya, is very precise. So 20 seconds late or 20 seconds sayo ra kayo gikuha ang, let's say, ang chicken feet or ang siomai, dako na kayo na siya different sa quality sa lami. So if it's for us among motto, if it's 1 minute late, then it's not authentic anymore. Kani ato ang mga staff dere kay mura na ning pamilya, kay ang amo ang supervisor, ang amo ang cook namo, kay barkada ra na nako sila tanan, silingan barkada, then ang ilahang parents barkada ra sad sa akong parents before, and then ang ilahang among isig kalolo barkada ra pod before. So mabalik ra gyapon sa milis nga name kay pamilya man god, and then katna pod sila tanan, nakaabot sad na sila ni Lola Mili. So kaning close ra kay ta diri tanan, and nakatabang ra pud ta sa community. Nakatabang ra sad ta sa community kay kani sila naara gid ni sila tanan nagpuyo diri sa duol ra pud sa kitchen. So far okay jud kaayo. Usually man good, if you try to open up a restaurant, you do the marketing and everything, they would buy out of curiosity, no? So that's good, but what's more important is the repeat orders, no? So more than twice, thrice, or 4 times, 5 times na daghan na tag customers nga nang order balik. So mo nay among gikalipayan karon, although we're not as big as the other dimsum restaurants, but lipay na mi ana nga nakauyon sila sa amo ang quality.
I have severe migraine, so every time mo eat ko o red meat like let's say pork, beef, mo trigger gid siya. So, before, katong wala pa ko, di pa ko vegetarian, ko kabaw. Then, nga mo ay reason. So, nagpa-doctor ko, and then the doctor said nga, observe what you eat. Nag-vegetarian ko, it was 2016 I started when I joined the retreat in Bahay Kalipay, Palawan. And then, there, 3 days may mag-raw. Ang among kanon is raw vegetables ra gyud siya. So I was like, oh my God, kaya kahanin ako. Sige, go lang gyapon ko. After 3 days, pag balik na ako diri sa Cebu, mo na gyud ko makaon og meat balik. So mo to ning padayon na jud ko as vegetarian. So ang akong family meat lover gyapon sila. So ako ra ang nag-vegetarian. Every time mo palit sila siomai, mo tan-aw ra ko. So it's like, nganong mo may maghimo og vegetarian siomai oy para makakaon sa mga plant-based nga mga people ba. So mo think ko nga, why not ako kahimo-himo. So ang akong daughter niyo, bitaw, try. Ni okay man siya, so niya naman akong family nga, why not sell it also? Yung kung, sige no, pero ipa-try sana ako sa mga friends. So katong mga plant-based na akong friends, akong ipa-try nila. So ning kuan man siya, ning click sad sila, ning okay sila sa lasa. So ato until nga nag-make po og pork, and I ni-request og pork. I have the shrimp. Ang iyang stuff is pork inside. And then I have the pork. And then I also have the mushroom chicken, mushroom pork, quail egg, bacon roll. They also love it. I have the vegan sauce and chili sauce, vegan chili sauce, and ginger sauce. And this one, the siopaw, is my new product. I have the asado, I have bola-bola. Peanut butter is by request if naay ganahan lang. And then vegan. I also have the vegan, of course. I call it Tina's Healthy Kitchen because wala siya MSG, wala siya anything kanang makabloat. Because sa among family, never jud ko, even ako, di jud ko mubutang og kwan kay nakoy migraine. Aside from that, for me it's not really healthy to put seasoning bitaw nga with MSG. For the vegetarian, nani siya carrots, red bell pepper, singkamas, and sometimes I put mushroom, sometimes I don't. I put dried tofu instead. So puli-puli lang siya. For the vegan, I put same ra siya, similar siya. Nasa siya carrots, nasa siya singkamas, nasa siya red bell pepper, but I put garbanzos, chickpeas, dried tofu and mushroom. Consistent gina, mo gina siyang recipe ana. Ang for the vegetarian, sometimes magod ma-run out of mushroom ko or ma-run out of dried tofu, so mapuli-puli lang nako siya og butang. And then for the vegetarian, it's made with egg. For the vegan, it's completely 100% plant-based. Even the wrapper, yeah, it's it's customized, made with flour and water only. Ang vegetarian is, it's no meat, no seafood, but it may contain dairy product like egg, cheese, siya. While ang vegan is completely 100% plant-based. as of now, they're really curious. Even the people that are not vegetarian, plant-based diet, they really wanna try the plant-based. So, vegan and vegetarian is really patok jud siya. It may be because there's no MSG. Because mostly magud sa food karon, di ba, with MSG. No offense sa mga namaligya nga with MSG, but maybe because nowadays very rare na ang mo sell of no MSG. So I think that's the reason why I call it special. Since nga nag-start kong vegetarian, lessen na nga akong migraine attack, and then very gaan ang feeling. I don't have aches and pains everywhere like before when I eat meat and when I eat like outside also. So, it's 100% good impact gid sa atong health to eat healthy. When you eat healthy, it doesn't mean expensive. You can eat healthy like utan Bisaya. It's not really expensive. So, yeah. If mag-production ko, maura gyud na siya kung buhaton. Kay di man gud siya nga nakasayon gud buhaton kay magpanit pa, mag-slice pa, mag-blend pa. And then after that magpuga pa mi, mag-wait pa mi sa patatas nga mo cool down kay half cook na to namo. So maabtan jud mid like 2 AM kay magputos pa. Aside sa magputos sa siomai itself, magputos pa ko sa packaging sa iya. So sometimes 2 AM na, 3 AM na mi mo matuog, mahuman. So labor of love gid siya. So far, okay. Ang uban, repeat order na sila. And then, they also sometimes request or suggest what else I could, offer. So, happy ko, actually. Yeah. It helps pay my bill. That's number one. Yeah, and thanks to my customers. And also, it really realized me na kabaw man day ko mohimo ani. Murag kung wala pa na pandemic, di ko kahimo ani. If ganahan mo sa isa ka butang, go for it. Kanang guts bitaw nga, just do it. Ayaw ka back off kay basin di nimo kaya. Just think nga kaya nimo, and then di man gyud nato pwede isipon nga inig negosyo na to mo click dayon. Naman jud na kanang dili mo click, naman jud mo click. So go lang jud. Yeah, and always positive lang jud.
Tip lang yun sa ganahan magnegosyo, dapat hunaon na it's not about the money. It's not all about the money. I'm not saying na it's not about the money. Lisod man sad. But you should put your heart and effort, everything. Imog yung ipildiha. And in my case, because cooking is my passion, so murag sayon na lang. No? So for all of you guys na nga plano magnegosyo, find your passion first. Kung unsa imong ganahan ibaligya, unsa imong gusto nga ibaligya, mo na imong passion gyud, mo na imong negosyo, sayon na lang kayo. The system will just follow if you are very interested, if you have the passion towards that product that you will sell. I think supporting local businesses is very important, buying products from a local business is like helping your neighbor na, no? Kay a bulk of that income would just circulate within the city. And aside from that, lesser carbon footprint. So, the product is the raw materials, gikan dire, ang pagbiyahe, duol ra. So, lesser carbon footprint compared to companies nga na outside the country or even outside our city, our local community.